A couple days of rain, you never know. They gotta eat at some point. What?
Like, am I hitting bottom or just, you know what I mean? Like, what the hell is really going on with the roof?
Right.
It's definitely moving fast, though. It's picking up on
The water is moving very quick right now, and it's very cloudy. But, dude, you might get a lunker that's just hungry. And he sees that vibrant color.
Now, will they pick something up like a bass would, or you gotta be kind of slow with it?
Oh no, they will. Dude, they're lightning fast, man.
Are they?
Like, literally. And they decide they want it over. But from my experience, man, just some days they just do not bite.
Oh, it's gotta be that way. I've definitely gone in river fishing many times and not finding it. I mean,
Don't get me wrong. You know, there's the right presentations, the right lure, the right this, the right that. You can figure it out, I'm sure. But as far as just like, you know, when they're hitting good usually. Type of thing. And it picks up throughout the year, you know, once the waters start getting a little bit warmer, more that ideal temperature for them. The water levels drop a little bit to normal. It'll pick up. Right now, we're kind of fishing for that occasional big dog that might be a little hungry.
I think something you're supposed to. You catch some buckets and rivers, man.
Oh yeah.
Got one. Oh, nice one, dude. Got him. Come check him out, dog.
Beautiful brown in the Browntown Lane, son. Downtown Browntown Lane. This guy was a jumper. Eddie Town Brown. He didn't even fight long. I netted him so fast. He's freaking still ready to rip. He's a jammer. This is 3 natives this year out of the same hole that are all pretty freaking sweet. Just landed another one. This is 3 nice natives right here out of this same hole. It's got to be 18 or better. We're gonna get some good pics and measurements and stuff, and let them go. Another one here, 19 inches on the money. Sunny.
Yep. It's a money unit.
Got it?
Yep. Off she goes. Down.